This is much clearer than this. This is one of the easiest installs I have ever done with a piece of equipment. So just so you know, if you are upgrading your backup camera with the nice big screen, if you have an existing backup camera, at least on my application, this doesn't fit. So I had to put it below the license plate, but I don't believe it'll be an issue because my car is high enough. Obviously, when we do a permanent install, we will route the wires a little more elegantly. Here we go, power's up. Look at that. So it is upside down. There we go. Look. Whoa. Look at how much bigger the field of view is. This is this new HD camera that we just installed in 2 seconds. And this is the factory one. You almost can't see anything. I mean, I guess you could see the absolute essentials with this. You could see the entire house back there. That is wild. And obviously, this is much clearer than this. Yeah, so if you're looking for a very easy to set up solar backup camera, I mean, it was so easy to set up, you can't possibly go wrong with this. It's got the recordable functions. You could go to a second camera. It is solar, so you don't have to run wires through your whole vehicle. All those things are super pluses. You can't possibly go wrong with this. Right here on the screen, there should be an option to click and get this. Worst case, it is down there in the description. Please use that. It helps out the channel. So I'm going to say thank you in advance for you doing that. It doesn't cost anything extra. Just lets us get more cool gadgets like this to show you. Anyway, remember to like, subscribe, and in the comments, if you have any questions, throw them in there. I will try to answer them for you as quickly as possible. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.